The topic of today's video is how to fix a black screen after updating Nvidia driver on Windows 11. And there are just a few things in this world that you can trust, and Nvidia drivers are just not one of them. So what you want to do is go to your computer, restart it 3 times with the actual button on your computer. So pretty much when the motherboard logo pops up, just after that, you should hit restart. So the logo will pop up and then hit restart. Do that 3 times, and on the 3rd time, you will be brought to the blue recovery screen here. All right, so the first option, go to troubleshoot. Then we want to go to startup settings, and in startup settings, we want to press F5 to enable safe mode with networking. And now once you restart your computer, you should have just a plain background and safe mode option and a very empty looking desktop. But you will have a screen, thank goodness. So now we move on to the second part of our master plan. What we need to do is go to the Windows button on your taskbar, right click on that, and then go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, you want to click on Display Adapters, and then you want to click on your graphics card, then right click on it. Now, 2 options. You could either go to Properties, Driver, and then if you have the option, roll back driver, since this was caused by installing Nvidia's fancy new driver. Alternatively, you can again right click on the graphics card, and you can say uninstall device, click on attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then click on uninstall. And then you should be able to boot up your PC normally with no problems. If you did uninstall the driver, all you want to do is go to the Nvidia app. If you don't have it, go to Nvidia's website and download it. And as soon as you open up the Nvidia app, they will tell you if there are new drivers available, or you can just click on the driver option here, and again, it'll let you know. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.